Hello there, welcome to the zero video of my first coding project. Let's start with P5.js on the official website using the web editor. You can see two functions here, setup and draw. The setup function executes only once and first. The draw function executes frame rate times per second. It will be executed after the completion of the setup function. I'll write some easy example. Here is a circle function template. Let's use it. Frame count 8 divided by 2 and 50. We don't see anything but a gray background on the canvas. This is because the background function is executed right here. We should comment it out. And yes, but why do we see only half of the circle? The frame count primary value is 0, so the x-coordinate of the circle is also 0. What happens if I write the same code in the draw function? This circle is moving. Each time the draw function is executed, the frame count value is incremented by 1. So this changes the x-coordinate of the circle and redraws it. And if I use the background function again, we'll see that the circle leaves no traces. That's it. See you in the next video.